I guess I could sit y'all kind of right here. I believe you can see what I'm doing from there. We'll work on the next one. One of the reasons for not bracing this here against this wall is because they've also got to be leveled this way and that way. So if I braced it here, I felt like I could temporarily brace it, but then I'd have to come unbrace it later. I may decide to do that. It's pretty good about, just about sitting in place. That one is dead on both sides, and it looks pretty good. So. That one a lot quicker than the first one. I'll check them both again, then I'll put a screw in the bottom of this one here. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. Put a screw down the bottom. Now these boards will eventually become my roof joists. Rafters, joists. It's a pole barn. It's a lean-to pole barn, so it's rafters, joists. They're all the same thing. In that situation right there. I guess you call them, technically you call them joists, I suppose. Alrighty then, I think we got her level and braced up pretty well.